Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. Because on the 4-hour time frame, this is where I've been saying that this is likely an ABC, and if it is an ABC, it should take out the higher wave A, or it possibly could even be a 1, 2, 3, which would be a much bigger move to the upside. The only problem with that analysis is that the weekly is definitely still down and the monthly is still down, which is why I got my Fibonacci retracement from this move on this move down. Because if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, if we do get a break of structure to the downside, I am definitely going to scratch this idea, and I'm definitely going to go back to looking for shorts because of the higher time frames. But as of right now, the trend is up on the daily, so I definitely would be recommending longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long here. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been recommending 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long, which that was definitely a pretty nice long. In hindsight, you can see that this is actually the 3-way pullback right there, which was a nice long. 1, 2, 3 ways pullback right there. Even this little zigzag right here is a little 1, 2, 3 way pullback. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would definitely be going long if it makes a 3-way pullback, if it makes a higher low and a Fibonacci bounce in the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.